Hey guys, well, time for an update. So we come out here to the water plant. We replaced the one knife valve, the pneumatic knife valve that was giving us problems. It was seized up. It was the old mild steel one. We replaced it with the new stainless steel one. The mild steel ones were put in there in an emergency because the stainless steel had really long lead times getting them. This is back during all the COVID stuff. But now we're slowly replacing these out with stainless steel so they last a lot longer. It's down inside of a blowdown pit. I'll show you the videos. Getting everything working. Now I'm just waiting for them to cycle again. The very end one on the right hand side turned out to have a problem. We didn't know that. That wasn't on the work order, but we went ahead and jumped in there and pulled it apart. I put some old salvaged seals that I had from another knife valve I salvaged. And hopefully we get it working until the new seals come in, then we'll just rebuild it. And but anyway, just thought I'd give you guys an update, and I'll catch you here in a little bit. All right, so we got them all working. These two middle ones are the new stainless steel ones. The two exterior ones are the old, just mild steel. So they're more susceptible to corrosion. We'll eventually get those replaced. I'm trying to replace them all with stainless steel. The work order was for this one. We got it fixed. Got the wiring up, the control panel fixed, all the lights replaced. Everything's working like it should. All the timers are functioning. Then we found out this one wasn't working. It wasn't even on the work order, but pulled it apart. I had some old seals that I had salvaged out of another knife valve. I put those in there. Hopefully that'll work until my new seals come in, and then we'll rebuild that one correctly. So we'll kick them back on. I'll get some video of them all working, and I'll see you in a minute. And these are working. Well, that's a wrap on this one. Wait till this bell goes off. We ended up going back down in the vault, pulling that cylinder apart, putting another gasket in it. Still has a tad bit of blow by there. I'm gonna have to end up replacing that actuator, which needs replaced anyway with one of those stainless steel ones. But for right now, it's working and working good like it's supposed to, as you've probably seen in the video. And they come on about every 25 minutes cycle, and I didn't feel like trying to catch it right before it kicks on to video it. I just happened to get my camera on in time while it was blowing down and operating, and then shut off. So if it'll blow down and shut off, it's opening up. That's self-explanatory. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and you know, give me a like, follow, share, go to my YouTube channel, KL2 Maintenance, and subscribe. I appreciate all of it. Have a good day.